I'm here with Dr. Winter Lee with P3. So Dr. Lee, what can a new Senior Care Plus member expect on their first visit here at P3?
A new patient can expect a very comprehensive visit, especially on the first visit. The provider and the patient kind of needs to get a good relationship going, and the provider needs to know exactly what is going on with the current state of health. They go through a good comprehensive evaluation through their health, their chronic conditions, their medications, their history, and basically just kind of get a good snapshot of what's going on with the patient at that current time. So when I see a new patient, I again like to go through the history. I personally like to go over their medications with the patient just to make sure they know what they're taking and why they're taking it. I like to think of myself as not only your doctor, but also as your educator.
So tell us more about P3's patient-centered philosophy.
P3's patient-centered philosophy is just like how it sounds. It's patient-centered. We like to tailor their experience, their appointments with the patient, for the patient, to address all the chronic conditions that the patient may or may not have. Included in the patient-centered philosophy with P3 is access to care. With P3, you get 6 visits a year, which is pretty fantastic. We do have an embedded care navigator with a nursing staff in most of our clinics. Even outside of appointments, patients call in, our nursing staff will assess the patient, make sure the patient is okay. Even if nothing is going on, they do regular checks, make sure everything is fine. Even with hospital visits, the patient comes out of the hospital, expect to get a call from our nurse just to make sure everything is going well, all the medications have been prescribed, any medical equipment that needs to be done, or home health. They make sure that everything has been set up, and if not, they let us know.
And access with P3 is not too difficult because you have so many locations across both the Las Vegas Valley and Pahrump, right?
That is very true. There's even one in Mesquite. And then speaking of access, a lot of times when patients call in, they can even get a same-day appointment most of the time.
So Dr. Lee, if someone at home has a chronic condition, why should they consider Senior Care Plus in P3?
Well, P3 has a network of specialists of over 1,200 physicians. Us as being primary care providers with P3, we are the quarterbacks of your patient care. So if we need to refer out to a specialist, we'll essentially coordinate the care, we'll follow along, and make sure that the patient is getting everything that they needed.
Dr. Lee, I gotta ask because I know our friends at home are asking, are you accepting new patients?
Yes, I am, all day, every day.
Well, that's wonderful. Be sure to call the number on your screen to get the care you deserve. Dr. Lee, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Kai.